Has your Vax cylinder vacuum lost all its suction? Well, don't worry, stay tuned, because in the next few minutes I'm going to show you how to get it back to the performance that it was when you took it out the box. It's really easy and everyone can do it. It's going to be a video with two halves. Now the first half is going to show you the #1 cause of suction loss that I see on vacuum cleaners like this, and we're going to cure it together. It's really easy. And the second part of the video, I'm just going to run through how to find a blockage if you've got one, including a little secret place where no one seems to look on these. So firstly, the #1 cause of suction loss that I see on these Vax vacuum cleaners is always the filters. The first filter we're going to look at is inside the bin lid. So we're going to remove the bin and then we're going to turn the bin lid so it unlocks and then it just pulls off. Inside you'll find your washable filter. It is washable and it should be washed and dried overnight every 3 months. Now if you've never done this, it may be really blocked like this customer's is. Now what that's doing is it's creating a blockage. So you've got your motor spinning here and then you've got your floor tool trying to pick up your dirt here, and stuck in between it you've got this filter that's blocked, and this motor just can't suck air through the filter. So the suction from the floor tool or the pipe is next to nothing. So if you clean that regularly, you won't get this problem. If it's as bad as this, I tend to just replace them. It's entirely up to you. So that this filter doesn't get blocked up quickly, I make sure that everything inside the cyclone and the bin is all gone. I empty that into a bin, give it a wipe with a microfiber cloth is fine. As an option, you can always use soapy water to clean the bin, but you do need to leave it 24 hours before you use the vacuum again. Please don't use it straight away or you'll damage your motor. There is another filter on these vacuum cleaners, and that's just inside this wheel cover here. Now that's easy to access, you just twist it off, take it out. It doesn't wash very well, this type of vacuum cleaner filter, so I just replace them. Now the reason it's there is to catch airborne dust, so fine particles that go through the vacuum cleaner and through the motor that would otherwise enter your room, it's there to catch them. It doesn't greatly affect the suction, but what it does do if it's blocked is it makes the motor really work hard. You can get overheating issues, and ultimately your vacuum cleaner doesn't live as long as it should. So it's good to replace that if you're replacing the other filter. And now it's part 2 of the video where I'm going to show you how to find a blockage really easy. Obviously if you've got a blockage, it's going to stop your suction. So start by taking everything off the vacuum cleaner. What I mean by everything is take the hose off, and then we're going to take the bin off. And we're going to look down this little channel in here, because things can get stuck in there that you might not otherwise see with the hose on. If there's nothing in there, we're just going to put the bin back on and we're going to turn the vacuum cleaner on without the hose, and we're going to check for suction. Now we're going to turn the vacuum cleaner off again, put the hose on, just the hose, and we're going to do the same thing again. We're going to turn the power on and check for suction. If the suction is not very good, then you've got a blockage in your hose. If it's okay, we do the same, but we're adding the metal pipe. I mean, your metal pipe, you can look down it anyway to see if there's daylight, easy. But we're going to test it in the same way. Turn it on, test for suction, and then we're going to do the same again with the final step, which is the floor tool. Put that on, turn the vacuum cleaner on, test your suction. This should be perfect, but at any time, you get the gist of this, don't you? If your suction is down when you've just put a pipe on, then the blockage is in that pipe. Yeah, see how I'm working it? Yeah, nice and easy. So yeah, anyway, I think you'll probably find, most people will find that the problem was the filters. Let me know how you get on. I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll try and do more Vax videos as and when I get them in for repair. This next video is if you've got a Vax upright and you're looking how to change the filters.